The reason why this film is so important for the history of beards is that, in a sense, it is history of beards. This is the only time where all the greats were gathered at the same time. This film is my holy grail, my Dead Sea Scrolls. This will allow beard science, beard history to advance in a manner we have never ever seen before. Kaminsky, first down the stairs, the great Pole, sporting a Kaminsky, the beard that he gave name to. At the time it was known as a half-bred badger. Moskowitz there, very confident, with 3 consecutive titles. We can only imagine what he's saying, but it clearly shows that this is not just a competition of great beards, of shagginess or length. This is very much a struggle of the minds. From the smallest whisker to the bushiest of beards, we might have to revise beard history altogether.